Hey there, it's Jerry with Beachfront Java. Today is New Year's Eve, and I just wanted to do a very quick video to let everybody know. It will be my last announcement on the subject. But if you type in holiday, all in cap, get 20% off um, our wonderful coffees until January the 1st. And even the boss is going to chip in here, and Valerie is saying, hey, it's a great deal to buy your coffee, guys. So we always appreciate the fact that you purchase our coffee, and I'm sure you're very pleased with it. We have yet to have anybody even say anything other than maybe one person didn't like the blend. It wasn't strong enough for them on what they purchased. So when they purchased a darker roast, they ended up having a flavorful coffee that they were used to. So with this, I'm going to go ahead and I want to show you something. Okay, and see if I can do this without messing up too much. Okay, what happened? Well, let's do this. Okay, there I am. Now we have again the 20% off, but I'm going to show you something that a lot of people don't think about, but this is a great way to save money on your coffee. And that is, if you can see this, some of the background and stuff is a little difficult, but this is a 5-pound bag. And when I've run the 20 off on the website, we come up to around $65, and the freight's paid for. So you could have this, and 5 pounds is almost 7 bags of the normal coffee that you would buy, the 12-ounce bags. That's a lot. And if you have more than a couple people in the house, now Valerie and I will go through this in about 6 weeks, but we drink a lot of coffee. So with that being said, it's a great buy. And I tell people, hey, give it a shot. You can buy it in almost everything that we have. There might be a couple that we don't offer the 5-pound bag in. But take a look at the pricing and take advantage of that 20% off. That 20% off is a big savings when you're talking about this 5-pound bag. Now, we also have 12-ounce bags, 1-ounce bags. I'm sorry, 1-pound bags. And then of course the 5-pound, and it comes in whole bean, fine, also just your standard grade grind. So you have to take a look there and see what works for you best. But again, we wish you the very best for the upcoming year, and continue to drink Beachfront Java. And if you haven't tried it before, give it a shot. It's a great New Year's resolution. Take care. Bye-bye now.